Hey, hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is John Inglis from Death Proof Media. Here we are in ON1 Photo Raw 2020. I'm going to show you how to introduce your watermarks via this software two ways. You can do it two ways. So if we go to export, and you will see the watermark pane at the top, well, underneath the photo size there. Just click it, make sure it's ticked on, and choose your file. It'll go into the logo area, and you can choose where you want your position of the watermark via these 9 points, and press export, and it's done. Brilliant. Now there is another way where you can add your watermark, is via a layer system. You can do exactly the same. Just double click your file and go to transform wherever you want your logo. I want mine at the bottom, and I'll just give it a bit of a stretch. There we go. And that to me is lovely. And that's two ways of adding your watermark into ON1 Photo Raw 2020. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.